So I got the new car here. It's a 99 Mitsubishi Galant. Had it for an hour and a half and had a hit and run. This lady nailed me while I was driving. Older lady. Fucked up the rims and everything. She got the thing the whole entire side of the car. This was all in perfect body shape. Got it all the way down. Missing the whole entire gas cover. Messed up part of the back rims too. She just got the whole entire car on the side, just knocked the shit out of the mirror and everything. Let's do a quick thing of the inside. Got this crappy Sony head unit that came with it. Just, I'm not even sure what speakers are in here. Doesn't sound too bad except for that CD player sucks. I can turn the volume up and it'll go down like that. Takes like 5 minutes to turn the damn thing down, but it's a pretty basic car. It's 4-door. It's a ES version of it. It's got little shit fucked up on it though, like some of the dash is cracked. I already knocked that thing off too. The light, the glove box will be fixed later, but that ain't no big deal. Don't got too much miles on it or nothing. It's just gonna hit the body shop hopefully here pretty soon. But that's about it for now. I'll have more videos of new radio and speakers and stuff going in it here pretty soon. So, and the subs obviously. But yeah, getting rid of this shitty Sony thing in here. But should have more videos up later.